an explosion-proof human-machine interface. HMI is a specially engineered industrial operator terminal designed for use in hazardous locations where flammable gases, vapors, combustible dusts, or ignitable fibers may be present. Its robust, explosion-protected construction effectively isolates potential internal electrical sparks or high temperatures, preventing ignition of the surrounding explosive atmosphere. This protective capability is achieved through specialized design features such as EXP will also improve enclosures, intrinsically safe circuits, ensuring compliance with international explosion protection standards such as ATEX and IECX, and guaranteeing safe and reliable operation in flammable and explosive environments.